Hello everyone, hi Miss Fernanda. My name is Fateme Sultani.
And hi Fernanda, my name is Fahad.
Today we wanna tell our group assignment story to you, and the name of our story is Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Okay, let's get it started. Once upon a time, a girl that name was Goldilocks was walking in the jungle. And after that, when she was walking, she saw a home and was smelling so good from that home. And Goldilocks was so hungry. So she decided to go to the home. But at the first time, she knocks the door. Oh, nobody's there. So she was so hungry and she decided to go by herself. Okay, opened the door and went to the home. After that, when she was at home, she saw a table that on the table there was 3 bowls. That all bowl was full of porridge. Okay, Goldilocks went to the large bowl. She took that bowl and said, oh, it's too hard and large for me. I don't like that bowl. And after that, she took the medium-sized bowl and said, oh no, I don't like that. I think it's so soft. And after that, she took a small-sized one bowl and said, yes, it's just right for me. And after that, she ate all up the porridge and put back the empty bowl on the table. Okay, and after that, she felt very tired. So she decided to go to living room. So let's get started to go living room. Okay, when she went to living room, she saw 3 kinds of chairs. The big chairs, so she decided to sit down and lie down and felt because she felt very tired, she decided to lie down and have a rest. So sat on the large size of chair and said, oh no, it's so hard for me, I don't like to sit here. Then went to medium sized chair and said, oh no, I think it's not very fit for me. And then decided to sit on a small chair and said, yes, it's just right for me, and had a rest. But suddenly it's broken and in the pieces. And because Goldilocks was so tired, took a look to that environment, and after that decided to go upstairs in the bedroom. When she arrived in the bedroom upstairs, she saw 3 kinds of bed over there, and she decided to lie down on that. First went to big size. Oh, I want to sleep. Oh, it's so hard for me. I don't like to stay here. Then she went to medium-sized bed and said, oh no, it's not very comfortable for me. And after that, she went to small-sized bed and slept very well.
Okay. After she is sleeping, family bear come back to our house. Okay, look, is Daddy Bear, and he likes the big one, and Mommy Bear, he likes medium size, and Baby Bear, she likes small size. Okay. Then family bear come back to our house. Baby bear said, I'm so hungry. Okay, let's go eat my lunch. Okay. And family bear went to the kitchen for eating breakfast. Okay, first Daddy Bear coming. I'm so hungry. Oh no, look my ball. Oh, what's happening? I think somebody is here and touching my ball. After Daddy Bear's Mommy Bear coming. Okay. Oh no, look my ball. Look at this. Why? I think somebody is here and touching my ball. Oh no, and after Mommy, Baby Bear's coming. Okay, I'm so hungry. Yummy, yummy. Oh no. Mommy, Daddy, look. Nothing inside. I think somebody is here and eating all my produce. I'm so hungry. Oh. Okay. After that, the family bear went to their living room. Okay. Daddy Bear went first. Oh no! Who was sitting in my chair? Look, my chair. After Daddy Bear, Mommy Bear's coming. And Mommy Bear said, oh, look, I think somebody was sitting in my chair. Okay, and now Baby Bear is coming. And Baby Bear said, oh no, look my chair. Look my chair. I think somebody's sitting in my chair. My chair is broken. Okay. After that, family bear went to the bedroom. The opposite. Okay. Okay. Daddy Bear, come. Oh, look. What's happening? My bed. Oh, what's happening? Look, it's so messy. Who's touching my bed? And Mommy Bear coming. Oh no! Look at this. Look, my baby. Who's touching my baby? Oh no! Now, Baby Bear's coming. Oh no! Who's here? Who is here? Oh my gosh! Look at this, mommy, daddy! Look! Somebody here! Somebody like that in my bed! Oh no! Who are you? Oh my God! And Daddy Bear, sir, who are you?
No. Bye. Help. Oh, and when Goldilocks saw that all family bears are here, she decided to go and didn't come back to the forest at all. Bye bye.
Okay, and thank you for listening to us. I think you enjoyed to our story. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.
Bye.